Hiya folks, so I'm not doing this on my table at the office or anything, which I should be really, but I'm a bit too impatient. So I subscribed to the Crochet Society Box this month, and I'm very excited to see what's inside, so I thought you might like to see it with me. So the Crochet Society Box, I will put details below. This isn't affiliated by them anything, by the way. This is just, I happen to buy it because I like the look of it. So it's got branding all over this box, and then inside another box. Oh, sorry about that. Oh my god, look at this. Isn't that so sweet? I really like that. Oh, it's got a little Velcro spot. Oh, this box is lovely, and it says Crochet Society on the front. So let's have a little look inside. It says off the hook. Okay, so we've got some really cute tissue paper, and my gosh, this is a seriously full box. We've got a load of wadding, some, oh, looks like a little basket or something in felt. There's a little stitch marker, Crochet Society stitch marker, couldn't even say it, stitch marker. Oh my god. There is a fluffy pen, and we've got a zip. Well, that's a bit intriguing. There's an envelope there. We've got 6 balls of wool. Oh, look at that crochet hook, isn't that cute? I quite often use a 4 as well, so that's really nice. These balls of wool are really lovely. They're lovely quality. I'll see what they're like to crochet with. And then at the bottom, oh my word, right, okay, we've got adorable animals. I actually saw this on the front of a magazine, and I was really tempted to get the magazine because I like the look of it. But, aren't they adorable? So I'll have to have a go at that. Then there's off the hook, right, it says pattern I'm making size, I don't know what that's for necessarily, progress, keep a tally of your rows, notes, key info, so that's yarn, shades, hook, tension and doodles. Oh, and double-sided. Gosh, that is really good, and it's really nice quality, I have to admit. It'd be nice for my fountain pen. I think that would be really good. So this is March 2024. I think it's every 2 months. Oh, and they've got lots of, so these are their selections of yarns by the looks of it, and then some pattern ideas. Oh, I saw that in something. I thought that did look a very cross looking Care Bear. His head's very long, but it is so cute. I used to love Care Bears. And oh, and it tells you what's in your box. So we've got a travel tray, that's what that felt was. The noteworthy, so that's the pen and the pad. Embroidery thread to add decoration with the lazy daisy stitch. And then it shows you how to do the lazy daisy stitch there as well. And there are some more patterns. Oh, and it shows you, using that zip, it shows you how to make a pouch to put your things in. Isn't that so lovely? This is very exciting because I've never done anything like this. In fact, I don't even subscribe to subscription boxes. So this is a complete new for me. I mean, I've produced subscription boxes, but I've never subscribed. I wonder what's in this cute little envelope. If I can get in it. My gosh, this is very well stuck down. There's some little eyes, look. Can you see? So to put in the Care Bear, I expect. These yarns are so lovely. They are they feel lovely, and the colours. These particular colours are very much my colours, don't you reckon? They're gorgeous. And there's a really good weight to this crochet hook. It's really cool. In fact, it almost looks handmade, like it's modelling clay. I think it is modelling clay. But I think it might be handmade. And then printed by Crochet Society. They're really nice. So look at that. I mean, honestly, that is such a lot, considering how expensive some of these things are. So you get really good quality publications, notebook, lovely pattern book, travel tray, crochet stitch marker that I love, pen, and all the fluffy to go in the soft toys. That is such a good value box. I think it was around £29. But that is really impressive, and the box itself is absolutely gorgeous. I'm definitely going to be keeping that for other projects. I very much like this scalloped edge here. Right, so I'm going to start another crochet project. I've got 3 on the go, but I'm so excited. So I'll keep you posted and let you know what I create. Bye!